In your literacy skill book, open page number 91. Sight words. We are going to read the sight words. Come on. You all have to keep your finger over there. In your literacy skill book, page number 91. I am writing the date. I am writing the book name and the page number in the chat box. So it's literacy skill book, page number 91. Okay, sight words. So everyone, you all have to keep your finger below the sight words. Okay? This page. I have written the book name in the page number in the chat box. Literacy skill book, page number 91. So let's start. The first one is, come on everyone, keep your finger there and read along with ma'am. You all have to read along it with ma'am. B, U, T, but. Then TER, ter, butter. After अगर कोई word बड़ा है, if any word is big and it's difficult to read it, तो आप उसे break कर read कर सकते हो. Butter, butter, FLY, fly, butterfly, butterfly. Keep your finger over there, Prajwal. BUTTERFLY, butterfly. Then the next one, PL, look, there's one blend, PLANTS. Plants. Read it. PLANTS. 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 Now, number 3. SONG. 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 No, sight words you don't have to write. This is just for reading. It is in your book. Literacy skill book, page number 91. Come on, read it. SONG, song. Then, number 4. AIR, air. Hava. AIR, air. Then the 5th one is, come on, this is also a big word. So look, this one is a big word. So we'll break it and read it. Come on. BIRTH, birth. BIRTH, birth. Look, there is one digraph, TH, birth. And DAY, day, birthday. Read it. Keep your finger in your book. BIRTH, birth. DAY, day, birthday. Birthday. Now next, Number 6. W-O-O-D. Wood. W-O-O-D. Wood. Number 7. L-A-R-G-E. Large. L-A-R-G-E. Large. Beta, read it. Reading, the practice of reading will make your vocabulary, enhance your vocabulary. Number 8. T-R, tra. There's the blend tra. T-R, tra, and double E, tree. T-R, double E, tree. Number 9. G-I-F-T, gift. G-I-F-T, gift. Then the 10th one is bucket. B-U-C, buck. And then cat. K-E-T, bucket. B-U-C-K-E-T, bucket. Bucket. Now the next one. 11th. P-L, plug. E-A-S-E, please. Please. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Please. Then the next one is F-I-N-I-S-H, finish. Look, there's one digraph, S-H. Sure. F-I-N-I-S-H, finish. Chalo. Now we'll repeat it one more time. Come on. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. F-L-Y, fly, butterfly. Next, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Next, S-O-N-G, song. Then the next one is A-I-R, air. A-I-R, air. Then the fifth one is B-I-R-T-H, birth. D-A-Y, day, birthday. The next is W-O-O-D, wood. Next, L-A-R-G-E, large. Then T-R-E-E, tree. Next is G-I-F-T, gift. Gift. The next one is B-U-C-K-E-T, bucket. Balti, bucket. Then P-L-E-A-S-E, please. And the last one is FINISH. 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 Okay? Chalo. Now, get your max copy. Now we'll do our max work. So, open the page and write down the date first. So, in mathematics, today we are going to write the number names from 21 to 30. So first of all, you write down the date 37/2021 and then we'll start the number names. Come on. Get your mathematics copy, then we'll start writing number names. आप लोग पहले date लिखो and then pay attention here. Write down the date and pay attention here. We'll see. अब मैं आपको दे दूंगी. So, write down the heading, number names. NUMBERS. Number names. Number names. Okay, now kids, you pay attention here now. Today we are going to write 21 to 30. So first of all, you have to learn the spelling of 20. Come on, read it with ma'am 2-3 times. Read. TWENTY. 20. For writing number names from 21 to 30, first of all, read the spelling of 20 2-3 times. Come on. TWENTY. T. 20. TWENTY. 20. TWENTY. 20. TWENTY. 20. Okay. Chalo, now we'll start writing. So it's very simple to write down the spellings. You learn the spelling of 20. फिर उसके बाद हम 1, 2, 3 सबकी spellings को add करते जाएंगे. Look, the first one, 21. So first of all, we have to write the spelling of 20. सबसे पहले हमें 20 की spelling लिखनी है. So what is the spelling of 20? TWENTY. 20. TWENTY. 20. And 1. So 1 की spelling क्या? What is the spelling of 1? ONE. 1. Okay. 20 की spelling लिखेंगे, then 1. Then 20 की spelling 2. 22. In this way. Okay. TWENTY. 20 and ONE 1. 21. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. O-N-E. 1. 21. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. O-N-E-1. 21. First of all, we have to write down the heading of 20, spelling of 20, and then 1. In this way, you have to complete. Then the next come is 22. So what is the spelling of 20? Yes. Read. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. So we had written the spelling of 20. Now what we have to write? 22. T-W-O. 2. 22. 22. Say the spelling and then write. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. T-W-O. 2. 22. Written, shall we move further now? Say and write, okay? Say and write. The next one is 23. So आपको समझ में आया? First we have to write the spelling of 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Then in 21 we have to add 1. In 22 we have to add 2. In 23 we have to add 3 with the spelling of 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 23. T-H-R-E-E 3. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. T-H-R-E-E 3. 23. 23. 23. First of all, read the spelling of 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. And 20 and the spelling of 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 23. Then the next one is 24. TWENTY. 20. Then the spelling of 4. So what is the spelling of 4? FOUR. 4. 24. 24. TWENTY. 20. FOUR. 4. 24. 24. 24. 2, 5, 25. In the same way, we have to write the spelling of 20 and the spelling of 5. So what's the spelling of 20? TWENTY. 20. And FIVE. 5. 25. TWENTY. 20. FIVE. 5. 25. 25. So those who have completed, you just read it. So I do not have space here, so I am writing it here. So after 25, 26. In the same way, we have to write the spelling of 20 and after it, the spelling of 6. TWENTY. 20. 6. SIX. 6. 26. TWENTY. 20. SIX. 6. 26. TWENTY. 20 and SIX. 6. After 26, 27. The same process you have to follow. You have to write the spelling of 20 and spelling of 7. So what is the spelling of 20? TWENTY. 20 and SEVE. and 7, 27. 27. 27. 28. T W E N T Y. 20 and 8. E I G H T. 8. 28. T W E N T Y. 20. E I G H T. 8. 28. 28. $29. So again, write down the spelling of 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20 and 9. 29. $29. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20 N-I-N-E 9. 29. And 30. 30. Okay, now the spelling of 30. So कौन सा डायग्राफ आएगा थ बनाने के लिए? Anyone know? Anyone knows? 30 कौन सा डायग्राफ आएगा? TH THIRTY 30. THIRTY 30. THIRTY 30. Okay.